Hello guys, welcome back to our channel at Gaming Basics. In this video, we'll see which initiator's role in Valorant is suitable for you. But before we begin, you have to know what is Valorant, what roles are there, and how we distinguish them. To know them all, stay tuned and watch till the end. Valorant is a team-based first-person tactical hero shooter set in the near future. Players play as one of a set of agents, character based on several countries and cultures around the world. In the main game mode, players are assigned to either the attacking or defending team, with each team having 5 players on it. Agents have unique abilities, each requiring charges, as well as unique ultimate ability that requires charging through kills, deaths, orbs, or objectives. There are a total of 4 Valorant roles in the game. The Valorant roles are Duelist, Initiator, Sentinel, and Controller. Each role has responsibilities that are integral to winning the game. Your abilities are geared toward helping you fulfill your role but won't limit you in game. Initiators are a literal definition of setting your team up for success. They are great at gathering information and using their skills to assist their allies. They make their team's life easier by helping them get kills or helping them make decisions. As of patch 8.01, there are 6 initiators in total in Valorant. They are Sova, Sky, KO, Fade, Breach, and Gecko. Thank you for watching this video. To see more content like this, do subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon.